young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
It's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And yes, this is very similar to one that I did before, but we'll get into that in a minute. But this unit is being sponsored by one of my favorite companies out there, the I Like Hair company. That's right, me and I Like Hair have teamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. So, if you guys remember a couple days ago, well, I want to say about a week ago, that a song played in my head. About a week ago, I did a review on their, I believe it was their 14-inch middle glueless unit. And this is the same unit, but it's in 18 inches. So if you look at it, you're getting some beautiful foliage. Yes, foliage of hair. I did customize mine just a tad bit. I went on and plugged mine into a middle part. So just a refresher course, this is a 5x5 parting space. So it is a glueless unit. It comes with a adjustable straps, two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps along with the elastic band to keep it down. So it is literally 5x5 is only from here. So it was enough space to give me a real pretty middle part where I could play with the baby hairs and all those fun things. The lace on here is highly undetectable. It is very, very seamless. I really, really love this unit, and I actually am happy that I got it in an 18-inch so that way I could play with it. So one thing that I did different to mine that is real different, I just took the top layer of the hair and I used a wand curl to curl the unit, so that way it would fluff out just a little bit more to my personal liking, but you don't have to do this. You can actually wear it as soon as you get it out the pack. Me personally, I knew for a fact that I was going to jazz mine up just a skosh, you know, just a skosh. But yes, so this is the box that it came in, and when you get your box, just like before, you know, you get a cute little welcome letter. It says, "Hi, I am what you've been waiting for." Very true, because I was waiting for this one. I couldn't wait for it to get here. But it lets you know, like, when you open it up, it has 18 on there. It'll let you know that you have an 18-inch unit. Also, it'll come in a baggie, which, you know, mine was wrapped up in the black paper. Underneath the black paper, you get some goodies. So with those goodies, you get a cute little makeup bag. It just says beautiful makeup bag on there. And you get an eyebrow archer. You get You get a eyebrow like brush and comb. You also get another elastic band that's in there where you can actually sew it in or hook it into the hair. You get a shower cap, which I always forget there's shower caps in these things. And you get a pair of some tweezers for plucking. I always forget there's tweezers in there too. And you get a stocking cap, which I'm so happy that they give out stocking caps, I'm telling you guys. And then of course they make it really personal and they give you a toning guide comb that has a metal tip for easy parting and all those fun things. So that's everything that comes into the box. Let me go on and give you guys my personal review, and it's not bad at all. You guys know it's not bad because I just told you guys I love this unit. So this is actually one unit that was not sponsored, but I do work with the company. This is actually one unit that I purchased out of my own personal money. Yes, I use my own coupon code, but who's not going to try to save some coins? So yes, if you want to know how to purchase this unit or any unit by I Like Hair, just make sure you head over to ilikehair.com and make sure before checking out, you type in Candace25 to save 25% off of your purchase. So if you want to know how to cop this unit, the link would be down below. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,